Hello my friend, welcome to Mia's Yummy World. Today's video is a healthy, guilt-free, delicious chocolates and nuts snack bar. The best thing about this snack bar is that it's good for all age groups. There is no added sugar and every single thing in this snack bar is good for your health. Gives you plenty of energy and keeps your tummy happy for longer. Let's start. Take a cup of good quality dates and soak it in hot water for about 2 hours. Ensure to remove the seeds of the dates before soaking in hot water. I have added 2 cups of warm water to soak the dates. After 2 hours, the dates have turned nice and soft like this. Then grind it into a fine puree in your blender. So this is perfectly smooth dates puree. Keep this aside and place a pan on low flame. I would strongly recommend using a non-stick pan. To the pan, add a cup of ready rolled oats. Fry the oats until it turns nice and crispy. Ensure the flame is always low and do not burn the oats. Grind the roasted oats into a fine flour. Keep that aside, and now we are ready to make our energy bars. In a pan, add all your favorite nuts. I have added cashews, almonds, pistachios, peanuts, and my most favorite, hazelnuts. You can also add pecan nuts or walnuts. Add any seeds that you like as well. I have used sesame seeds, but you could also add pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, or even sunflower seeds. Fry on low flame until you get a nutty smell and the nuts become very hot and roasted. Keep on low flame and do not burn. Then remove from the flame and keep aside to cool down and become crispy. Now add the dates puree to the pan, ensure low heat and stir until it thickens. By the way, if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm glad that you're here. Please remember to subscribe and click the bell icon as I post delicious, quick and easy recipes or family holiday vlogs every week. If you have seen this channel before, thanks so much for coming back and I hope you'll like this video too. Coming back to our recipe, now this is a perfect consistency, all the water has dried up. To make our chocolate bars, add 2 tablespoons of fine, good quality cocoa powder to the dates puree. Combine with the puree until smooth and glossy. Don't go away when you're doing this, you have to babysit this recipe. Take care that it doesn't burn because this is a really quick process. Now it's well combined, the cocoa powder and the dates puree, and we get a glossy mixture like this. At this point, turn off the flame and add the roasted nuts and seeds and also the oats flour and combine really well. The reason I would strongly recommend using a non-stick pan like this is because, like the traditional chocolate bars, we are not using any butter or oil. So at this stage it may catch at the bottom of the pan if it is in the non-stick pan. So combine everything really well, and as an optional ingredient you can add half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon or cardamom powder to give it a special flavor and taste. Combine everything really well and add 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of honey or nectar. That's the last ingredient, and now combine everything well and allow this to cool completely. You can take these snack bars any time of the day. It really fills you up and it's all good things. And as you have seen, it is so simple and super quick to make and is so healthy. You can make this with any nuts, dry fruits or seeds that you have at home. All you need is some dates and some cocoa powder to make it into a nice chocolate bar. There is no sugar, artificial preservatives or flavors. It's got good fibers in it and will keep you healthy and happy for longer. Once the mixture has cooled down, transfer it into a box like this and flatten with a spatula to make it into a nice rectangular bar. Keep it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours, or if you are in a hurry, you can even pop this into the freezer for just about 15 to 30 minutes. Now our chocolate bar is ready. Take it out of the container and slice it into any shape that you like. I'm going to slice it into rectangular shapes, just like the normal chocolate bars. I hope you really like this recipe and will give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share this video if you enjoyed it, and if you haven't already, please do hit subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching. Keep safe and see you very soon. Bye bye for now.